Odisha. Maratha rule of Odisha in the latter half of the 18th century was a complex period. Maratha rule of Odisha, marked by both dissatisfaction and cultural regenerations. The Maratha administration of Odisha began around 1715th century. Era brought about significant changes. They improved Odisha profile as a pilgrimage destination. Odisha is a land of holy places and pilgrimage destinations, particularly Jagannath temple by encouraging maintenance and upholding the religious site. Encouraging maintenance. Additionally, they introduced a pilgrim tax while also exempting paupers from it. The Maratha also invested in infrastructure. Maratha. The Maratha rule saw a decline in external trade. Rule saw it, particularly due to the rise of British power in the region and their control over the marine trade in the Bay of Bengal that adversely affected the local export of grain and textiles commodities, leading to economic dissatisfaction among the people of Odisha. Despite this development, the Marathas saw a decline in external trade. Maratha. The patronation leads to significant advancement in Kavya and Padya literatures, encompassing both prosperity. Maratha domination of Odisha did lead to some dissatisfaction due to economic decline. It also contributed to a cultural renaissance, showcasing the dual impact of the rule on the region. The government actually